I'm thirsty. I think I should get myself a Mountain Dew soda from the vending machine. Hey. Why won't my money go into the vending machine? I want my Mountain Dew. I'll have to try again. Are you fucking kidding me? I want my Mountain Dew. I'll try one more time, and I'll break the vending machine if does that again. Finally.
One eternity later.
Oh come on! Why won't this vending machine give me my fucking Mountain Dew? I want my Mountain Dew, come on, you stupid vending machine! Give me my Mountain Dew, give me my fucking Mountain Dew, you vending motherfucking machine! That's it. I'm going to breaking this stupid vending machine with my hammer. Oh yeah. I break the vending machine. Now I'm gonna pick up Mountain Dew. Yes. I finally got my Mountain Dew. This will teach that stupid vending machine lesson, for refusing to give me my Mountain Dew.
Man. I think I'm so thirsty. I'll getting drink from. Oh no. Dark Hammer bro. What happened to the vending machine, and why it's broken? Wait a minute. Dark Hammer bro. Did you break the vending machine with your hammer?
Yes I did, because that stupid vending machine refused to give me my Mountain Dew.
What? Dark Hammer bro. I cannot believe you did this. How dare you break the vending machine? That's it. I will calling your parents. Go home right now.
No 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 no.
Hello. Dark Hammer Bro's parents. This is Johnny Bravo speaking. You will not believe what your son did. He break the vending machine with his hammer. Can you grounding him please? Okay, bye.
When Dark Hammer Bro got home.
Dark Hammer bro, we can't believe you break the vending machine with your hammer. You know that can get you arrested.
But Mom, Dad and Hammer Bro. Because that stupid vending machine refused to give me my Mountain Dew. I am sorry.
It doesn't not matter. Your apology is denied. That's it. You are grounded for 62,621 days.
Now go to your room right now and think about what you did.
Wah 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 wah.